Hello, this is Dr. Behnam. I'm a board certified dermatologist in Los Angeles, California. Welcome to another video. And today we are going to be talking about the PDO Thread Lifts. So PDO Thread Lifts basically are deeper inner stitches or dissolvable stitches that we place in specific areas in order to pull and basically lift the skin. My favorite area to do with thread lifts is the neck area. So I'm going to be demonstrating and going over a case where we just did it for the neck. So this is one of my lovely patients who basically you could see on the photo, first of all, she does not have very well defined jawline and has very crepey neck. Really, those are like the really issues. It's really the neck. So what we did was that we decided to do a thread lift in the neck area. So we basically did the insertion line right here in the lateral neck, and we put one basically thread right here, and we did another one right here, and we did another one in the center. So we did actually 3 threads basically on her, and the whole point is you make an insertion line, you pull the thread, you push the thread in, and you pull it back. And in my case, I also do numbing. I love to actually physically numb my area, so as I'm doing and pushing in the thread, it doesn't hurt that much. So, and now this is her after, immediately, literally half an hour afterwards. You can see that she's a little bit pale, and that's the numbing right there, because we used lidocaine with epinephrine, so that could cause some paleness in the skin. But let's see what happened. So first of all, you could tell that a lot of this crepiness right here is much improved. Why? Because what we did was that we pulled on the skin. By pulling on the skin is gonna basically pull on some of that loosened skin. Number 2, you could see that she has basically what we call the turkey neck, or what we also call basically the necklines right here, the neck bands. And by pulling on the neck skin, the neck bands are a lot better. I mean, just overall her neck is a lot better. But also please note that she has a much more well-defined jowl, and some of the crepiness right down here is significantly much better as well, because what we did was that we pulled the neck tissue underneath the jowl, so it gave her a much more well-defined jawline. It pulled some of the skin on the lower face area and pulled the skin on the lower neck area. So that's her before and after photo, and I'm going to show it. This is her from the front. Again, from the front you could tell that the crepiness lower neck is better. It's not always the case that's going to happen, but in her case it did. And also her neck bands are significantly much better as well. So again, that's the before and that's the after. Again, I'm going to demonstrate again before, and that's the after right there. So again, so these are the PDO thread lifts. It literally takes half an hour. The results could last anywhere from 9 months to a year, but also the thread itself could also stimulate some collagen production, so you could get a little bit longer lasting results. Side effects of the thread lift is bruising, hematomas. That's another word for bruising, which is very common. But overall, very safe procedure done by experienced physicians. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.